This is $1. This is a silver eagle, also considered $1. And this is a gold $50 coin. These three things tell a very different story about money, wealth, and purchasing power. This is what they call fiat currency. It only has value because the government says it does. And over time, more and more of these dollars get printed. That's why groceries cost more, gas costs more, homes cost more, and everyday Americans feel like their money just doesn't go as far as it used to. This is real silver, 99.9% silver. Silver has been used as money for generations, and that's why it's interesting that silver tends to preserve purchasing power over time. For example, decades ago, a silver dollar could buy several gallons of gas. And today, 1 ounce of silver still can buy several gallons of gas. But this paper dollar buys less and less every decade. And then there's gold. This is $50 gold eagle, but the actual gold inside it is worth far more than $50. Gold has been held its values for thousands of years. In fact, over 100 years ago, an ounce of gold could buy a very high quality men's suit, and today, an ounce of gold can still buy a very high quality suit. That's what you call purchasing power. The wealthy understand something important. They don't just save currency, they move their currency into assets. Things like real estate, businesses, gold, and silver. Things that tend to rise in value over time. This is one of the reasons homeownership is so powerful. When you own a home with a fixed mortgage rate, your payment stays relatively stable, while inflation continues to rise around you. Meanwhile, rent prices continue increasing year after year. Financial education changes everything. The goal isn't to fear money, it's to understand how it works and to make it work for you. And once you understand that difference between currency and assets, you can start thinking about building generational wealth. Most people spend their lives chasing currency, but wealth is built by owning assets. I'm Jesse Griffith, the Mortgage Hunter, and I'm passionate about helping people become homeowners and helping them build generational wealth.